Welcome back to Chemistry Corner. Today we are going to see line by line questions for the lesson Metals and Non-Metals from the topic Metallurgy. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy is the process of extracting metals from their ores and refining them for use. What is an ore? An ore is a mineral from which a metal can be extracted profitably and economically. What is a mineral? A mineral is a naturally occurring substance from which metals or their compounds can be obtained. What is the difference between a mineral and an ore? All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. A mineral becomes an ore only when it contains enough metals that can be profitably extracted. What is the first step in the extraction of metals? The first step is concentration or enrichment of the ore, where the impurities called gangue are removed. What is gangue? The impurities such as sand, clay or unwanted materials present in the ore are called gangue. How are metals can be classified based on reactivity? Metals can be classified into three categories: highly reactive metals, moderately reactive metals, and least or less reactive metals. What are the different steps involved in metallurgy? The main steps are concentration of ore, extraction of metal from the concentrated ore, purification or refining of the metal. How are highly reactive metals obtained? Highly reactive metals are obtained by electrolysis of the molten chlorides or oxides. For example, sodium metal is obtained by the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. How are moderately reactive metals obtained? Moderately reactive metals are obtained by reduction of their oxides using carbon, carbon monoxide, or aluminum as their reducing agents. For example, ZnO plus C gives Zn plus Cu. Fe2O3 plus 3Co gives 2Fe plus 3CO2. How are least or less reactive metals obtained? Less or least reactive metals like gold and silver occur in free or native state, so they can be obtained directly from the Earth's crust. What is roasting? What is roasting? Roasting is the process of heating sulfide ores in the presence of oxygen to convert them into oxides. For example, 2ZnCs plus 3O2 gives 2ZnO plus 2SO2. What is calcination? Calcination is the process of heating carbonate ore in the absence of air to convert them into oxides. Example, ZnCO3 gives ZnO plus CO2. What is refining of metals? Refining is the process of purifying the crude metal obtained after reduction.